Welcome to our presentation on cell survival after irradiation. Today, we'll explore the fascinating and crucial aspects of how cells respond to radiation exposure. Understanding cell survival after irradiation is fundamental in fields like radiation therapy, radiobiology, and environmental safety. It helps us predict and manage the biological impact of radiation. After exposure to radiation, cells can experience several fates. They might repair the damage and survive, enter senescence, undergo programmed cell death or apoptosis, or even suffer mitotic catastrophe, leading to their demise during division. Numerous factors influence a cell's ability to survive irradiation. Let's delve into the most critical ones. Firstly, the radiation dose is paramount. Higher doses generally lead to more damage and reduced survival. The type of radiation also matters, with different radiation types having varying biological effectiveness. Different cell types exhibit varying sensitivities to radiation. Rapidly dividing cells, like cancer cells, are generally more radiosensitive than slowly dividing or non-dividing cells. Environmental conditions, such as the presence of oxygen, temperature, and pH, can also modulate cellular response to radiation. For instance, well-oxygenated cells are more susceptible to radiation damage. Finally, cells possess intrinsic repair mechanisms, particularly for DNA damage. The efficiency of these repair pathways significantly impacts a cell's ability to recover and survive after irradiation. A key tool for understanding these effects is the cell survival curve. Let's explore its typical shape and what it tells us. A typical cell survival curve plots the fraction of surviving cells against the radiation dose. It usually starts with a shoulder region, followed by an exponential decline. The shoulder region at the beginning of the curve represents the cell's ability to repair sublethal damage. At lower doses, cells can effectively repair damage, leading to a less steep decline in survival. Beyond the shoulder, the curve enters an exponential region, where the rate of cell killing becomes directly proportional to the radiation dose. This signifies that the cell's repair mechanisms are overwhelmed, and damage becomes largely irreparable. In conclusion, understanding cell survival after irradiation is a complex but vital area of study, impacting various scientific and medical disciplines. We've covered the different fates cells can experience after irradiation, the various factors that influence their survival, and the interpretation of the cell survival curve. These insights are critical for advancing cancer therapies, ensuring radiation safety, and broadening our understanding of fundamental biological processes. Thank you for joining us.